Hi, I'm Marty Sexton. Thank you for joining me today. In this video, we're going to cover the toolbar usage when Polycom+Pano is connected to a touch monitor. But first, let's take a high-level look at the user interface itself. In the top corner, you'll see the system name, IP address, and then we have a device connected. Here you will see the security code that is used to authorize users to send their content to the screen. And in the top section here, you will see the date and time. On the bottom, you'll see the content tray. And on the side, you'll see the toolbar. Let's take a closer look at the toolbar functions. If you'd like to hide the interface, simply touch here. That removes the interface from the screen itself. Let's have a look at the annotation tool now. I can choose my annotation tool in the various stroke widths as well as the colors. And let's suppose I wanted to mark up some content to call attention to sales successes. Now you can see that the team did a fantastic job in Q2. They were pretty good in Q1, meeting their goals. In Q4, we fell a little bit below. And so we really want to focus our attention next year in this particular quarter. Now, I could certainly go back and erase individual markups through the undo button. And as you can see, I start to erase. I could also press and hold, which would remove all of them. And then if I wanted to redo, I would just simply press again. I could also just use my fingers to erase like so. So as you can see, it's a very useful tool for annotation and markup. Let's look at one of my favorite features in the toolbar. It's called the Magic Highlighter. The Magic Highlighter allows you to temporarily annotate or highlight the content based on the amount of time that you're using it. For instance, let's say I wanted to just do a quick markup and have a quick discussion about Q1 results. It would highlight and then go away because I only made a quick annotation. Now, if I wanted to have an extended conversation about the quarter and I marked longer, then the annotation or the highlight would stay longer. After you've annotated, you can use the eraser tool to erase with a single finger. If you wanted to erase a larger area in a circular motion, you can use 2, 3, 4, or even 5 to erase larger areas. Next, let's use the snapshot icon to capture everything on screen, including annotations. You'll hear the snapshot, and then you'll see the image captured and put into the content tray. You can tell that I captured this with a snapshot because we have a snapshot icon next to the images that have been captured. Another great feature is the Whiteboard Blackboard feature. Let's see how it works. You can press and hold to select Whiteboard or Blackboard, and then you can use the annotation tools. Let's say I was creating a list for my team and their assignments for the quarter. Now, with traditional boards, I would run out of space. But if I press and hold with 2 fingers, I can move the content up and have a virtually infinite whiteboard. If I run out of space in that direction, I can zoom and provide myself another list, and so on. Let's look at the content tray. In the content tray, we have snapshots, still images, and even live video. Let's bring those up and see what they look like all side by side. So here we have 4 streams. We can maximize, minimize, or close and cancel the individual stream, or simply bring it full screen and return it back to its original state. If you ever get stuck on wondering how to use the toolbar, you can access the friendly help menu by pressing the question mark here. It'll walk you through all of the toolbar functions, the content tray, as well as the multi-gesture actions. To close, simply tap the help again. At the end of your session, you'll just hit the red X in this corner. You can choose to cancel, which will return you back to your current state. Or if you hit end now, the entire session is closed. At this point, there are no content streams being kept on the device itself. Thank you, and please join me for more informative videos about Polycom Pano.